Hi and welcome to Yellow Brick Physical Therapy. I'm Dr. Lara Johnson, physical therapist, and I am so looking forward to seeing you for your first appointment. I want to give you a little bit more info about where to come so you have no trouble getting here. The office is located at 4710 Table Mesa Drive, Suite B. So Table Mesa, from Table Mesa you can turn off of Tantra or Moorhead Drive, but Tantra is the easiest. You just come around and turn into the corner, and we've got a large parking lot out in front. There's also parking behind the building also. And the building is this white stucco building right here. It doesn't have signage other than for Berkshire Hathaway Realtors. And as we come over, we'll see that it's Suite B. I share this office space with other awesome healthcare providers. There's like psychotherapists, rolfers, physical therapists, and massage therapists. And when you come inside, you're welcome to just have a seat in the waiting area in one of the chairs here right inside the door. And I'll come and greet you when I'm done with my previous patient. If you'd like to grab some water while you're waiting, you can go all the way back towards the end of the hallway. There are restrooms in the very back also, and a water bubbler that has some mugs right on top of it. And you're welcome to help yourself to that and grab a seat in a chair, read a magazine or a book, and I'll be with you as soon as possible, if not right away. So if we come into the office, just to give you an idea of what it's like, come inside. Right inside that front door, it's office. It's number 110, which is on the writings on when you come in the door too, if you're not sure. And when you come into your first appointment, we'll do some more talking so I can get a really clear understanding of what your specific situation is, and then take you through a full body postural screen movement analysis, and then get you on the table here to feel for some tight areas and do some treatment with the time we have remaining, most likely. So really comfortable table and environment. We pride ourselves, all of us here in this office building, sharing the responsibility of keeping everything feeling safe and comfortable and quiet and confidential. So you're welcome to feel safe and comfortable here. I've got filtered water in the sink here if you need more water or need to fill anything up. And I really look forward to meeting with you. If you have any questions at all regarding your first appointment or where to come or anything at all, please feel free to reach out. I'm here for you, and I want you to feel as ready as possible. So I look forward to meeting with you soon. I'm Dr. Lara Johnson from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy, and I can't wait to meet you. Bye.